Blessings, 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 people, blessings. Welcome to Asama Seed TV. Welcome back if you've been here before. Welcome if it's your first time. Now, what I want to talk about in this video is, let me start by saying on my last video, I was saying a lot of people in Jamaica are focusing their attention too much, okay, too much on certain topics that, to me, yes, those topics need attention, but certain things that should be getting the main focus, them not paying attention to. You understand? So this video here is something I want to talk about where I see a possibility in Jamaica being a very strong exporter to other countries. And when I say exporter, I mean Jamaica naturally grown products, okay? Not bauxite, nothing to come and ruin, our environment. I'm talking about what we already have. Vegetables, herbs, teas, natural treatments. You understand? Now, Jamaica does have a crime problem, a very bad crime problem. And part of that reason why Jamaica has that crime problem is lack of employment, right? Lack of employment. Now, my idea or solution to help with this crime problem is farming. You understand? And why I'm saying farming is, number one, you don't have to have degrees from school to do farming. Anybody can farm. If you're willing to learn, you're willing to do the work, anybody can farm. You don't have to know how to read and write per se to farm, right? Now, and if you want to say handle your finances, then you're going to have to be able to be good with numbers or have some kind of understanding of numbers, or else, you understand, that part you're going to have to work on. But here why I'm saying farming I see as a big future for Jamaica. Jamaica is strategically placed in the Caribbean. It's very close to America and it's in the main shipping lanes for all the other countries. Okay? What I'm saying is there's ship going from Africa to Europe, you understand, all over. And Jamaica is right in on that lane. Alright? Number two, the land in Jamaica is so fertile. I don't know if people realize this, but people from other countries are coming to Jamaica, buying up land, you understand? Or renting the land to do farming here in Jamaica to export to other countries. You hear me? People from other countries are coming to Jamaica to do farming in Jamaica to export to other countries. Now, why should we let people from other countries reap the benefit of our own country when we're sitting right here? You understand? We are sitting right here. Why are we allowing that to happen? We have to take advantage of what we have right here in front of us. Mainly our young people. Mainly the young man them. You understand? Young man them will wake up every day, they on corner, and dig out them hand middle, and always have them little cup in them hand. It's a lot of better things you can be doing with your time. You understand? Instead of joining these gangs, always have to be watching your back, somebody coming after you. You can do farming. You understand? Farming, yeah, is hard work, but in the end it pays off. You understand? You want to be a big man. You understand? You want to own things. Do it the legal way. See what I'm saying? And if let's say, okay, you get a piece of land and you start to work it. You work that piece of land. Yeah, you have to start out small. You see, unless you have some money where you can go big starting out. But you start and you work your way up. You understand? You build your way up. Now, there's a lot of things grown in Jamaica that is in high demand overseas. Understand? Merengue, coffee, um, stuff like chocha, bananas, coconut, roots, natural roots. You understand? Guinean weed, all of them things that do a little research and just find out how much of these things that is growing wild in Jamaica. Let's say growing wild and make big money overseas. You see what I'm saying? I know of nurses, policemen, school teachers. I mean, people from, good background will quit them job. You understand? Government quit them job and getting into farming. People who don't need to realize what is going on here. You understand? Everybody love pretty and dress up and stuff, but you have to get dirty sometime. Get dirty. You see what I say? Get your hand in some dirt and some mud. You understand? Now, one thing I have to say, I have to big up the young lady them. Because I say the young lady them I take the initiative and them young lady there, I say my hats off to them young lady. I say enough young lady are getting into the farming thing. You understand? Now when I say young, I mean as young as 16. Maybe younger too. But the young ladies them I take the lead. Them I make the man them look like idiot. Seriously. The young lady them willing to put in the work. But most of them young man you want to sit down pan corner and dig out and dig up. And drink. Or if none of that them in a some gang. Gang not have no future. There is no future in a gang. So the better thing wouldn't it be go and get into some farming where a legal work. You know, rob nobody, you know, thief from nobody. You know, I feel always I watch your head back because of what you do or what one of your brethren do. Or but just because you're in this gang, yeah, another gang, I come for you. Right? You know things say getting in that farming would be a nicer, safer thing than to go join up with some gang. Eh? Think about it. Yeah, it go kind of rough to start out, but anything in a life where worth having, a hard work, bring it. You understand? You know, hear them say easy come, easy go. Well, if you put in the work, then you know say you have something for sure in the future. Right? And put it the way here. Say, you don't want to be a farmer all the rest of your life. You can build a thing where you are the owner for the farm and you hire people to work the farm. Right? You have to look big, look big in the future. Don't just think, say, no, I don't know dirty work because, I don't them dirty work thing there. No, brother. You have to look big. You have to, you know what I'm saying? Broaden your mind, broaden your thoughts. You understand? I tell you, you wanna make the female them, I look like the strong one and I look weak. You understand? Because all you want to do is smoke and drink and then come to the woman for money. As a man, how you feel about a woman for money? Especially a young woman. Eh? In a bother a man to go to a woman and ask a woman for money. Well, not tell you say it would have bothered me. You understand? It would have bothered me. But all I tell you say, Look into this farming thing. Do some research and see what I talk about. You understand? If you know somebody will have land, talk to the person. You know, enough people willing to lease you the land and you pay them. You know, once you start make a profit, you start pay them. You know, when you sign an agreement and work with it the way that. Enough people live in a town, have family or country with a whole heap of land will not do nothing. You understand? I just talk to your family and work out something. But anything when I do, want to put it on paper. You understand? Sign an agreement. Not just jump in and do nothing. Because you know I'm gonna make some big farm, you know, on all the family land and then once the farmer the good family kick you off and say, no, you know, I feel we farm this. You understand? So anything you do, put it on paper, right? Sign up an agreement. You know, you can even involve a lawyer if you want. You understand, depending upon the size of what you work with. You understand? But come on, people. Give me one thoughts and want to think about this. You know? This something when I see I go on, and I pay attention, and I notice it more and more. You understand? People from other country I come here, come reap the benefit of full country. When we sit down here, so I lay and look like idiot and not do nothing. You know? Trying to take advantage of what we have. With the right yes under your nose. But when you see somebody else come do it, enough people jump to say, where you do ya? You know, you don't belong here, you don't come from here, where you do ya? But you have it right in front of you and you know do nothing with it. Somebody say, you know do a thing with it. So if somebody else knows that they can't deal with it, where you complain for? Eh? It's there right, that's a few to deal with. So deal with it. So I say, look into what I say, people. Check it out. So I say, so I saw me see it and I saw me talk it. Respect, blessings. I wait for some feedback.